Hi! In front of me is TCL NxtPaper 10s, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. Firstly, open one of your apps like Play Store and click on this button with 3 lines. Now you need to hold your app and swipe it to the top right corner. Then let go, and as you can see now, I can use it in the setting window over here. If you wish to use it overlay the other app, just click on the other one and use both of them. If you wish to make it bigger, you can do that by clicking on the bottom right corner. If you wish to move it around, just hold these 3 lines and drag it. If you wish to close it, you can click on bottom right corner over here, but you can also just close your app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!